What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family and Autism, or either Aquarius Family and Autism. Today's video, I'm basically going to show you guys this Cricut Maker 3 or whatever. And it's basically just gonna be unboxing. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna be doing no creations over here. None of this stuff. I'm just going to unbox it and show y'all what I'm doing. If y'all are, if y'all can hear it in the background, that's the boys' tablets and stuff like that. Life, I guess you could say. Alright, so if y'all not new to my channel, y'all already know that we have a website or whatever for all the boys merch, kind of like what I'm wearing now. But I stopped selling stuff. I actually took all that stuff down because I was like, I want to do this stuff myself. So hence why I think this was like DEDE, print to garment or print on the, I don't know. But basically, some of the stuff was like my first store, or the store itself, was like a print-on-demand type thing, and I didn't like how long it was. For one, I didn't like the quality of the material. I'm not gonna stunt. And then I didn't like how long it took for it to get to certain customers. And it's like, bro, y'all have locations everywhere, so it shouldn't take this long to get this stuff to this particular customer. And it like really, after that, I just was like, nah. But other than the quality that I did not like, on top of how long people had to wait, I was like, y'all, when I do relaunch Black Sheep Family and Autism, I'm going to do all the stuff myself. So like, yeah, I'm gonna produce it myself. It's all going to be handmade. It's all going to be in-house and stuff like that. I'm not gonna be waiting for nobody else to do nothing. So that way, people can get the stuff when they pay for it. Because come on, don't nobody want to have to sit here and wait for their stuff after they ain't sat and paid for it. Come on now. I'm just saying. So that's where the Cricut Maker 3 came in. I'm not gonna stunt y'all. I was gonna get the cameo, the silhouette cameo or whatever, because other people that do like cutting far to what they, I won't call it print on demand stuff, but far as what they brand or any type of other merchandises that they're selling, they had the cameo. But we're here now. Also, y'all, this is my first Cricut machine. So I'm going to show you guys. We are going to do the unboxing together. So it's like two little tabs. Right there. So it's just one piece of tape that I see. Don't know if someone opened it before and then just did that, or if that's how it comes, because like I said, this is my first Cricut anything. So do it. I like the fact that it actually has a handle. I'm glad I did not try it again. If we dropped the whole thing, it would have been soft. They came out. And then I got this.
Kush track.
Alright, y'all, so if y'all here with me because y'all seen the whole little short or whatever, I'm finishing unboxing my stuff. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. I brought the camera down just a little bit so y'all can see what you call it. I'm not gonna open this yet. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it because it's all this is going to be. So unboxing. This come off the top. Come off the top. Oh yeah, this is dope. It's not nowhere near. It's heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. And it kind of look gray, I think, on camera, y'all. But I think it's actually baby blue or powder blue. I don't like blue. But it's going to get the job done. And they got it all vacuum sealed and stuff like that with the shrink wrap. So I'm going to put this over here. The rest of the stuff in the box I'm going to show you. Which is, this is the power thing, the more than likely go on the back of the cameo. I told y'all I wanted the cameo. To go in the back of the Cricut. And this cord, I don't know. I know this is, I see this all the time, a USB cord, but I don't know where it goes in. Probably inside of that, I don't know. This is my first one. And then you have, I think this is called the cutting mat, y'all. The cutting mat board, one of the two. Alright, there. So, this is this unboxing. This is what this looks like. I'm glad I did not take my scissors back, my whatchamacallit. But this is everything that comes out of the box. I haven't set it up yet, y'all. Open this. It's a little piece of paper that says let's get started. Also, before I forget, y'all, I know I'm pretty much almost done with the video, but this was not paid for. This is not sponsored. Did nobody send this to me or anything like that. So let's get started. I guess this is a sample vinyl thing. I guess I don't know. But you get matte black. Nah, this is not matte black. What you get black? Yeah, it's vinyl. What's this? Smart vinyl. You get a sample of smart vinyl. Y'all wanna know something crazy? Is I got a sample of, well, anybody get this, I'm sure, gets a sample of smart vinyl, right? I thought about getting that I thought about getting that Cricut Joy just solely so that I can make my thank you cards and stuff like that and flyers and stuff like that, because it like cuts at the perfect angle. I would definitely use this to cut my vinyl and my t-shirt designs or whatever else I'm doing designs. But that's perfect for that because it's personalized. You can change it when you want to. You can add the colors when you want to. So I just think customers will appreciate that a little bit more. Well, yeah, a little bit more. But anyway, y'all, that's this video. Wasn't really nothing autism related other than the fact that it's going to be for the autism merchandise and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a investment. I will tell y'all now here on this video, y'all should have been seeing a commercial or whatever somewhere in here that for one, me and Jay we want to start a podcast or whatever, podcast in our channel or whatever. I will probably suggest y'all to go ahead and subscribe to the podcast more because we can really just talk on podcasts and things like that versus on YouTube where you can see the video and stuff like that. So yeah, we're thinking about doing a website. We don't know yet, but we do know the YouTube and the podcast is coming soon. We will announce it here or whatever, or y'all will see it in commercials and things like that on our videos. Also, y'all already know that I have my own channel, which is BADGIRL. What is it? BADGIRL DEDE YT or either BADGIRL DEDE TV. I don't remember the title. So anything business related and stuff like that, more than likely will be over there. Anything to do with just me will be over there. So y'all might want to subscribe because I'm just saying, if y'all want business and content for stuff like this and things like that, that's going to be over there. This is Vlogmas. That's the only reason why I got this over here. I have been straight slacking on uploading for Vlogmas, so I'm like, dude, let me go ahead and get my life. So yeah. See you guys on the next one. Peace.